I am annoying, and I will never stop being annoying, and I will only get more annoying because I set out with one goal and one goal only: to ensure that this never happens to anyone ever again. The days of brands falsifying safety data sheets and lying to consumers are over. And if you notice my tone getting progressively sharper, it's because the more I look, the more I find. And I am truly sick to my stomach with the amount of deceit that brands do in the shadows, because they don't respect consumers. They don't respect you. They don't respect your intelligence. They think no one will ever look twice, that we will all just roll over and accept our swollen, bloody, blistered, life-altering fate as just user error. Not on my watch. I'm preparing some big things, and one of those is a future video where I will show you some appalling independent studies into what is in these nail products. And this is just nails. Imagine what goes on in food and medicine, but the difference is those industries are regulated and this one is not. There is so much information that I sit on because my intention is never to have a gotcha moment with the brands. I am out to acquire real change, and I always want to give the brands an opportunity to make that happen, but I'm usually disappointed by how often they don't. So let this be a warning to all the brands that think they can continue getting away with hidden white labeling, lying to consumers, unsafe practices, and bullshit advertising. Change your ways before I find them. And I don't care what you threaten me with or whatever legal upper hand you think you have. Where others stay silent at the threat of corporate brand attorneys coming for them, I gather and prepare. I have no wealth, no corporate attorneys ready to defend me. My only weapon is the science and the truth, and I am always ready to use it. I started this because I am fortunate enough to be in a position of knowledge on the chemistry of the products, but most importantly, the laws and regulations. And as my platform grows, so does that position of advantage. So do my connections and alliances and my passion for the truth. Knowledge is power, and that is why I do my best to spread the knowledge I have and use my degrees, backgrounds, and connections to fight for the change this industry deserves. Regardless of whatever some of you may think my motives are, the changes we are making here matter. To many, it may seem like drama or like it's not that deep, and I do that intentionally. I try to keep my page positive and fun and lighthearted and easy to digest because unfortunately, sometimes drama is the only way that people start to care. But y'all have no idea what I do and what I know behind the scenes, and that it is in fact that deep. This epidemic needs to end. People should not be able to just walk into their local big box store and walk out with a lifelong medical condition on what they believed to just be artsy, fun self-care. Or we will have an entire generation of people that can't get hip replacements, that can't get dental fillings, and that can't get surgical bonders, and that will have to inspect the label of every single product they put on their skin for the rest of their lives. If this is too harsh, good. It needs to be. Because in all this drama and content and lighthearted fun, it's easy to forget that there are millions of real victims and real lives impacted by all of this. The people deserve transparency, and I will never stop fighting to ensure that happens. And for those of you all over my comment section defending these brands tooth and nail that don't stand with me, it's okay, because I will still stand for you. I love you all very much, and I will see you in the next one.